What's going on, guys? Gus One Bear here. Today I am camping with my dad. We're in a beautiful Palmdale, Florida, a special place known as Fisheating Creek. I'm going to have the opportunity to try out the new KASTKING Boss. This is a great bait keeping system, and stay tuned. You're watching Two Bears Outdoors. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some neat features on the Boss. Now, I enjoy having my different gear for different application and different fishing situations. One thing I like to have is my designated gear for my creek fishing. And when the Boss came out, it just hit me. I was like, you know what? This is my designated creek tackle bag. Okay, love this tackle bag from KASTKING. This is the Boss. And it's got some pretty neat features. It's got a very comfortable handle. The material is water repellent, not waterproof, water repellent. I like about this is the mesh bag that it has. Now this is great for, let's say if you get your gloves wet, and of course, you know, this is the KASTKING glove. You get them wet, put it here, it'll hold it, keep it and secured, but it also allows it to dry. Okay, I love this system. Also, if you don't have one of these, I suggest you get one. KASTKING braided line cutters, the scissors, they work phenomenal. KASTKING fish grippers, that's right. I like these. They're not big, they're very short, they're lightweight, they float. All right, so let's check out what's inside. First of all, you have the attractive and well-known Sharky logo, KASTKING. And the one thing about the zippers, they're self-healing zipper. Very comfortable. It's got this rubberized finger tab where you could just put your finger around, open it up. Here, I have a bunch of soft plastics. Jigs, and also, like I said, it's got the mesh compartment here. Now let's show you the main belly of the bag. I have my weights and my hooks. Got soft plastics. My finesse. Got some jigs, more jigs, got some jerk baits, assorted worms and jerk baits. Of course, I added some extra stuff, extra worms, and it's just really a neat system. Yeah, for that hook. So what's really not to love about the Boss? The Boss bait keeper from KASTKING. Small, compact, but you can really pack it down for any fishing situation. Again, this is my creek bag. This is the one I'm going to use solely for my creek fishing. I'm glad that I have it. Thank you, KASTKING, for making some amazing products. And I'm really excited to see all the new stuff that's still up and coming for 2019. So I'm a big fan, guys. Make sure you check out my other video on the hog. That's the KASTKING hog, this monstrosity of a tackle bag. Phenomenal. And also I have a video on the Haas. Check that out. KASTKING is definitely the gear you need to be getting, folks. All right, guys, I'm going to do some late afternoon fishing with my dad. We're going to go up creek, find some deep water, and we're going to do some fishing. Hope you enjoyed it. Suggest you get yourself the Boss or any of the KASTKING tackle bags. They're all phenomenal. And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors. See you later. Bye.